Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and I know it's been a while. Let's get back to drawing some Roblox, and I found this Roblox Rainbow Friends, which is kind of cool. So I'm gonna try a slightly different format. I'm gonna sketch it out first right here, and then we'll kind of ink it on the side. So if you want to follow along to draw, you can do that as well. Although I might be drawing a little bit fast. Okay, so let's just try this out. So the blue is actually very simple to draw. His head, it's pretty much just a circle. Maybe I'll just draw it slightly bigger. So this is gonna be a sketch, so it's gonna be slightly messy. So if you want to sketch this, you just draw a circle. And then I'm gonna draw one of his eyes, so another circle here. And then one more here. So very simple. And then let's see, let's try a big happy face right here. Eyes up here. Again, you can follow along with this if you like, but this is really more kind of just for me, so I know I'm gonna be drawing with the sharpie later. Okay, and he's got that jewel. Very nasty looking jewel. Just gonna have it come down maybe a little bit longer. Might be a little bit more interesting. Just gonna give it a little bit more shading. Hopefully I can make it nice and shiny. Alright, and then on the inside of the mouth, I believe is, does he have a teeth? Looks like he does have some teeth, but it's kind of hard to see. I think it's mostly black. Maybe I'll just make it all dark. Okay, I think it's starting to look like him. Let's give this a little bit more shading because it is a sphere. Make the lines a little bit darker on the outside too, so you can see this a little bit better. I don't know how many of you guys like to draw with pencil and sketching. You know, drawing cartoon figures is actually a very good way to learn how to draw. It's a little bit more complicated with pencil and shading. But over time, if you keep at it, yeah, you'll become very good at drawing too. Okay, so that's the head. Now the body is really simple, right? And I'm gonna just draw him kind of like one of those poses as if he's coming toward you, right? As we see in the game. So let's see his hands. Actually not much detail on the hand, just one big clump. Let's just try this. And then this one goes up. Comes down, and then the waist. Not much detail. Just taper in. And then let's see, let's have his knee come up slightly because he is running toward you. Try that. Let's see. Okay, I think that looks okay. This kind of looks like the one in the game. Just gonna give this a little shading. Try to make it a little bit more three-dimensional. Okay, maybe that's enough. So let me darken up the lines a little bit. The outside at least, so we can see. Okay, how's that? And you know what? I totally forgot about the crown, and you guys were probably yelling at me already when I was sketching this. Let's draw in the crown. You can draw a line there. That's kind of give us a nice midpoint here. And now come down, out. Just kind of have it come into the head. Let's give this a little shading. Hopefully we can make this look like gold. Okay, so that's his crown. All right, so now that we have the full sketch, now I'm gonna come in here and let's draw with a Sharpie, and this will be exactly like this, hopefully. I'm just gonna use this for reference. All right, so to begin, we're just gonna draw in, obviously, the circle, and it's got a little jewel here, so it might be a little tricky. Let's draw like a half circle first. Gonna come down. Yeah, my circle is like way off, but that's okay. Let's just keep going. So we leave a little bit of space right here on the bottom. Circles are really hard. What you can do is you can use any kind of drawing aid to help you guys out. But if you want to freehand it, that's fine too. You know, we don't need to draw perfect shapes. Okay, so those are his eyes, and then let's see in here. So this one's simple. Just draw another circle, kind of touching on the edge on this side. And then for his other eye, we can just draw in an X since we're gonna shade it in anyways. And then we just make this line a little bit thicker. Okay, and then for his mouth, just one big smile first. Now I'm just gonna come down slightly. Just leave some room right here for the jewel. And then maybe right on the middle here. Now I'm gonna draw in one little bump coming up here. And then this is gonna come down. It's gonna be going over his mouth. And then now we can draw in the jewel here. So just pinch it in. It's gonna get a little bit skinnier, and then it's almost like a teardrop shape. Okay, and now we can close it off. And this part is black, so yeah, let me do this real quick with a Sharpie. Since it's so easy to fill in the big spaces with a nice thick Sharpie. Okay, so now let's draw in the crown. I'm not gonna forget it this time, right? So I'm gonna come to the center of this, just go up, make a little point. Now I'm gonna come down. Okay, so one little angle, go back up, and then just taper in to the head. All right, so very simple. All right, so now let's draw in the body and the arm. Start right around here. Just one big curve coming out. And his armpit's gonna be right here, so you can make a little point if you like. And we can curve this way, or we can just come down here, either way, and then just round it up. A little bit more armpit right there. And then now for the other arm, it's gonna go up. So right around here. Come out slightly and then just curve it up. For this one, I'm just gonna round it and come back down. You guys probably know how to draw this already just by looking at this. You don't need to look over here, right? Because it is very simple. Okay, so just come down, and then here's his armpit, his other armpit. Now let's draw in the body. So just pinch it in. And now for his leg, this one's could be a little bit trickier. Let's draw in this middle part right here first. So just come down, draw a little curve like this, and then I'm gonna draw this leg first. I know my leg is pretty small. I'm kind of giving a little bit more style. You can make it a little bit longer if you like. Okay, so once we have this one's gonna come down, just round it in, just curl it, and then we just extend this side line over here so that looks like it's going backwards. Alright, so that is it for this rainbow blue, and let me know in the comments below if you like this new format where I sketch here and then I draw it with a Sharpie, right next to it. If you guys like it, if you guys don't like the sketch, let me know. If you guys would just want to see this, that's fine too. So please comment below, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. You guys are awesome, and I will see you next time.